Welcome. We're going to cook a simple salmon slice. Here we go. Tin of salmon, grated cheese, cut up shallots or onions to taste, olives, bit of salt kick, Sao for the base, and 1 or 2 eggs. Can't really get the proportions wrong or right, it's pretty simple. I might put them on the video clip later on, but let's start. First thing is, get your salmon out. Cut. Okay, lid off that. That was easy. Okay, sucky thing for the bench to hold my bowl on. D sharp, I like that. Anyway, put your salmon in, juice and all. Then it takes a little while to go through and pick out the bones and the skin out of the salmon. So now we'll just pause for a second while I do that. Okay, so I've got all the bits I don't want, the dark skin, some of the brown meat out of the salmon, probably the best part. I did leave the bones in, crush them up. Apparently the bones are good for you. Anyway, it's all good. So salmon slice. I've mushed up the salmon a bit with my fingers, very hygienic, but hey, in these days, I'm washing them 20 times a day anyway. They're cleaner than anything. They're hospital grade, these fingers, trust me. Cut. Time to prepare the Saos. This is the fun bit. You thought sticking your fingers in a tin of salmon and picking bits out and crushing up bones is fun. You haven't seen anything yet. Check out this. You can't stick your Saos in whole. So you put it in a bag, maybe 2, depends how excited you get with this process. Your Saos are in there. Oh, therapy, it's just fantastic. Well, they're coming out, should use 2 bags. That'll do for that. Rightio. So, just to break them up a bit finer, I need to put them in a separate bag for a second. Make sure there's no large chunks in there that, I like consistency. The bag's already open, that was convenient. Making a mess is just part of this salmon slice, what can I say? I'll tell you what, that's not bad. A couple of big bits. Apart from that, did a good job. You can use anything, hey. Jump on it, I don't care. Run over it with your car, really doesn't matter. Just get them down to about 1.5 centimetres is the biggest you want. You don't want dust, don't break them up till they're dust. I've done that, doesn't work. Must have been particularly angry that day, cranky, in need of bashing Saos, obviously. Anyway. So my Saos are looking good. So, back on with the sucky thing, to the bench. Back on the salmon. Now, I like to add all the wet ingredients together first. An egg or 2, no shell, oh fantastic. 1 or 2, doesn't really matter. I like 2. Put them in. Your wet ingredients, you can add, a really good handful of cheese, probably third the quantity of the salmon that you had. And at this point, I do start to use a fork, and you just mix it together. It's a bit like, salmon egg flip, really. It's like, yummy. There we go. Also a good idea at this stage, before you put the Saos in, to add a little bit of pepper to the ingredients. To taste, doesn't really matter, you can put anything you like that goes with egg and salmon and cheese, it'll be really nice. Give it a bit of a kick, a bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. I find I add a bit of salt to the salmon slice when it's done anyway. So that's done. The shallots, or your grated onion, whichever you like. Shallots give it a bit of colour, even both, doesn't really matter. Stick it all in. There we go. that is looking the part. So, I now need to prepare, which I didn't do, my olives. Okay, so I've got some olives here. Rightio. Cutting them up. I'm not going to make you go through all cutting up the olives. I'll just do a few, and I'll pause, and I'll get back to you.
Done.
Pitted olives, of course. Little red bits in there. Beautiful. Okay, in go the olives. A bit more green, a splash of red. Yum. Okay, so they're in. The eggs are in. Everything's just about done. This is how quick this meal is. It'll keep in the fridge for as long as it does. Hey, I'm not a scientist. Who knows? Google it. Stick my bowl down again so I can mix it up. So that's pretty moist at the moment. And I'll probably need a bigger bowl because I'm not going to fit all of the sayos in there and the wet ingredients. So in with the sayos. Let's see. Yeah, they fit it. It's pretty full. Now at this stage, look, I could say use a fork, use a spoon, but there's nothing like just getting in there with fingers. And just mushing it around a bit. Mix the wet ingredient with the dry ingredient, and of course that had to happen. Sick of watching this? Oh, pause for a sec. Right. Apart from making a mess, should taste alright. Don't do that. Okay, your oven-proof bowl. Bit of whatever you want in here. Anything to stop it, you know, sticking to the bowl. Baking dish, I should say. You know, use your fingers again, that's what they're for. Come on. Get that up around the edges. Nothing stops it sticking anyway because it's got so much cheese in it. But hey, it's a lemon infused olive oil, this one, so it's going to give it that lemon kick as well. Now I'll finish the mixing of this in the bowl. Now we're starting to see what it's going to look like. You just can't get it wrong. You just, still just mix it around a little bit. Make sure that, the salmon and the wet ingredients are mixed in with the sayos. Probably use other biscuits. I don't know. I wouldn't try. Yeah, I don't know. Sayos work. That's all I know. I wouldn't try chocolate biscuits. That ain't going to be good. Alrighty. That to me is fairly well mixed. Now, the oven is on 180, preheating. You could put anything to garnish this. Anything, mainly savoury. I'd be sticking savoury stuff on top. Why not? You just put it in there. You don't want to pat it down too much, but you do just want a little bit firm. Just, just so when it sets, when you go to cut it and bring it out of the bowl, it just doesn't fall everywhere. Make more mess. The mess is over, hopefully. So pat it down nice and even so it cooks evenly. Now on top, once again, good sprinkle of cheese, because the cheese will go brown on top. Give you a nice cheesy crust on top. Even that out. A few more shallots just for fun. I could have put some olives on top too with shallots. And that, my friends, is how you make salmon slice. Yeah, so in the oven, I reckon about 25 to 35 minutes, depending on the oven. Depending on the thickness as well. So that's pretty good. Okay, Google, set a timer for 30 minutes.
30 minutes, starting now.
It's all done. See you soon. quick update on the magic happening. Look at it. Ooh, nice. I think it's done. Yes, it does look the right colour. Smells great. Oh yeah. Now what? Oh, too hot to eat, but not too hot to cut open a bit. I'll just show you what it looks like on the inside. It's nice and golden brown. Beautiful little fresh salad. Bit of mayo, seafood sauce, whatever you like. Yes, it will be hot. Look at that, just comes out. Ah, fabulous. Enjoy.